Hey everyone, and welcome back to the YouTuber Center channel. And I'm thrilled to kick off a brand new series that's all about one thing we're all interested in: how to earn money online. In this series, we'll be diving into a treasure trove of ideas that can help you make a substantial income right from the comfort of your own home. Today, in this very first video of the series, I'm going to share with you the first 10 ideas from our list of 100 incredible ways to earn money online. Whether you're looking to boost your income, start a side hustle, or maybe even transition to full-time online work, this series is for you. So, if you're as excited as I am to uncover these opportunities, remember to hit that like button and smash that subscribe icon so you won't miss out on the upcoming videos in this series. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into the first 10 amazing ideas that can help you earn money online. Writing and blogging. Writing and blogging is a versatile way to earn money online. Whether you're passionate about a specific niche, enjoy sharing your experiences, or have a knack for storytelling, blogging allows you to connect with an audience. You can monetize through ads, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and even by selling your own products or services. Graphic design and illustration. If you're creatively inclined, graphic design and illustration can be a lucrative online gig. Businesses and individuals are constantly in need of visual content for branding, marketing, websites, and more. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer opportunities to showcase your portfolio and attract clients seeking your design skills. Web development and programming. Web development and programming are in high demand as the digital world continues to expand. Building websites, web applications, and offering coding services can generate substantial income. Specialized skills like front-end, back-end, and full-stack development can lead to well-paying remote work or freelance projects. Digital marketing and social media management. Businesses recognize the importance of an online presence, making digital marketing and social media management crucial. You can offer services such as social media strategy, content creation, and campaign management. As more companies go digital, your expertise in driving online engagement and conversions can be highly sought after. Virtual assistants and administrative tasks. Virtual assistance involves providing administrative support remotely. This can include tasks like email management, scheduling, data entry, and customer service. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners seek virtual assistants to handle these tasks, allowing them to focus on core activities. Translation and language services. In a globalized world, translation and language services are essential. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation, transcription, and localization services. Websites, documents, and videos often require accurate translation to reach wider audiences. Online tutoring and teaching. Online tutoring and teaching have seen a surge in popularity, especially with the growth of e-learning platforms. You can teach academic subjects, language skills, musical instruments, or even specialized knowledge. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy enable you to create and sell online courses. Voiceover and audio services. If you have a clear and engaging voice, voiceover work could be for you. Voiceovers are used in commercials, animations, audiobooks, and more. With the right equipment and skills, you can provide high-quality audio services from your home studio. Video editing and production. As video content becomes increasingly important, video editing and production skills are valuable. You can edit content for YouTube, social media, businesses, or individuals. Platforms like YouTube also offer monetization opportunities for content creators. Data entry and research. Data entry and research tasks are common among businesses that require accurate data management. While the pay might vary, these tasks are relatively straightforward and can be done remotely. Many platforms offer data entry and research projects suitable for freelancers. And there you have it, the first 10 fantastic ideas to start earning money online. From freelancing to content creation, e-commerce to online tutoring, these are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to online income opportunities. If you found any of these ideas intriguing or if they sparked your creativity, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTuber Center channel. We've got a lot more in store for this series, including more ways to earn money online, in-depth guides, and success stories from those who've ventured into the digital realm. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Remember, your online earning journey begins with a single step, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep exploring, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.